I would like to get to know if it could be.
Hey YouTube, it's Dez and I'm back with another videos. If you're new to my channel, stop what you're doing, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And if you've already been rocking with me, then welcome back. There's the girl. Say hey.
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 I see the dog.
You got your doggy? So we are at Chuck E. Cheese. We're having a girls' day. We're getting ready to stop here first. We're going to do a little bit of shopping. I got to get a car wash. And we're going to get some bubble tea later. But yeah, we just got our day started. And it's kind of a late start for us. It's like 4 o'clock. I wanted to start at like 2. So that we can get back home by 7. But we got a late start. But we're here. And we're ready to go play. Tell them bye.
Bye.
We'll see y'all in a minute. So our trip into Chuck E. Cheese was short-lived because I got my food. So I got us a cheese pizza, an order of fries, and you know, some drinks or whatever. So my little buzzer go off. I go up there. I'm like, I know these ain't my fries. Y'all, for $4, they literally tried to give me 10 fries. I counted them and it was 10 fries. I told them, you know, y'all can take the pizza. Y'all can take everything because I'm out. I'm not paying on 15. What would we pay? $15 for the pizza. The fries was $4. And then y'all know the drinks. So they took, I got all my money back. We about to go get some Mexican food. And then I'm going to take them to, it's called Catch Air, y'all. That's what it's called. Then I'm going to take them to Catch Air. It's better there anyway. They'll be able to just play freely and just have a ball. So we're headed there now. So we'll see you guys.
I'm rocking at the fucking realest ching ching. In the Louis V vest, y'all want with this squeeze silicon and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of the penis?
My phone went dead in a restaurant. I got my charger finally working in the car. I'm actually about to get this charger that my friend who has a store and like a couple doors down from me has. She said it's an Apple charger and it's only $30. So I'm gonna go get this charger. But her charger charges your phone like super duper fast and it lasts a long time. Y'all see my lips and when it came off. But that mojito was really good and our veggie nachos was really good. And their tortilla chips in general was really good. So that place is, I would give it like a 9 out of 10. I would definitely go back. There's Bunny. Giles fell asleep. There's Bunny. So yeah, we're gonna go into Target. I gotta grab a few items. We were gonna head to Catch Air, but it started raining, and I had to run into Target to get them a few items for the week for school. You know, like snacks and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna let them pick out something while we're here, so I'll be able to get the footage of that. So yeah, let's go. Don't be tearing up, Jane.
My baby, she's cute. My baby too, mommy.
That's
Baby,
cute.
she was cute.
Okay.
I see two cute. Oh, why you didn't jump over down?
Don't be tearing up, Jane.
My baby, she's cute. My baby too, mommy.
That's
Baby,
cute.
she was cute.
Okay.
I see two.
Get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it
Everybody do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Those are me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeezy lick and I'm real blessed. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis? Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out, ease out.
Come on, talk on you. Why would you cry in a dance school?
Was Lele being nice? That's it. It's ugly. It's ugly. It's ugly.
This way. Charlie. Okay, I'll get another.
Yeah, I think that's it.